While the drones observing your every move might make you feel like you're living in a city-shaped prison, what's bad news for society is good news for DedSec. You can hack those nosy little buggers and use them to scour ahead. Getting close.
Show's about to start. Place your bets, fight lovers. Here they come. Purveyors of violence and mayhem. They're poised, they're ready, they're wild and unsteady. Get on your feet and let them in.
I'm going to enjoy this.
Almost knocked their teeth right out. That's a hit. One for the record books. Go on now. A solid hit. That's the shit we like to see. All right, people. All right.
Knock 'em out.
Oh, I can taste the tension in here.
I'll be gentle,
Ready, are you?
baby.
Well, you'd better be. Bets are closed and we're ready to roll.
Get ready. This is... I'm going to knock your teeth out of your fuck.
Oh my God! What absolutely disgusting! Are you watching at home, online, on the street? Are you here live to feel the heat, the sweat, the blood? Wherever you are, this
Come
is
here, you
the
soy-eyed
most
shithole.
exciting thing you'll see all day. They're getting murdered in there.
I'm waiting to be impressed.
Oh, now that's what I'm talking about. Solid strike from a solid fighter. Falcon CL will think again. Two fighters that will never fail to blow us all out of the water. They say two heads are better than one. Well, how about four fists?
Come here and show me what you...
Oh, shit! And that's a solid blow there. Did you all see that monster hit on the stream? Fucking hell!
Well, this will be a nice, easy warm-up.
Football blow. Don't know how anyone will come back from that.
Hope you're ready to bleed.
Just like a proper live highlight reel.
Well, this will be...
Now that's entertainment. And one massive blow to our fighter. Whoa, that hit looked like fucking hurt. Absolutely nobody saw that win coming. Unless you did, then you just made yourself a proper lumpy bit of dosh.
Getting the fuck out of here.
I was too young to remember.
The flag. I never thought I'd miss the old Union Jack, but somehow our new flag managed to be even more irritating than that. I don't know quite what it is. The new Palestine, or if it's just that it symbolises the loss of everything we once held dear. But that flag irritates the hell out of me.
Was everything you ever held dear Scotland?
Well, that was something I held quite dear.
I miss being able to dodge my friends' destination weddings in Italy. There's nothing worse than being asked to spend the equivalent of a motorbike on some sort of boat-based farce in Sorrento, and I always used to really enjoy saying, oh no, I can't afford it. Now they're all getting married in Brighton and I have to go to that alleged beach. It's made of rocks, Andy. If your sandcastle is an actual castle, that's not a beach.
Tell you what I miss. I miss free will. That was fun. Remember that? I mean, was it an illusion all the time? Who cares? It felt fun. I miss cash, particularly coins. I really miss coins. The fun of doing a heads or tails best of 5 to see if you had to go to the gym, and then the best of 7, the best of 9, and then 2. That was a losing streak. Now with crypto, all the romance has gone out of heads and tails.
I miss romance, Andy. I miss there being mystery in life and not just a hope that your new partner isn't good enough at hacking to find out all the information the government has on you.
Bye for now, Bug fans.
Getting close. You're in. Let's find the thing.
Looking for some action, eh? In you go. Folks, I want to hear the love and the hate. Get hype. The fighters step into the limelight. Take a look at those faces. Place your bets and strap the fuck in.
You're too weak. This is no fun.
Fucking wild blow, oh my god! Just like a proper live highlight reel. Oh shit! Could that be the win right now? Oh shit, what an absolutely disgusting blow! We're back at it again, folks. The only game in town worth your time. Society's crumbling.
Get ready to weep.
Institutions fumbling. Come and see a couple of fighters take it out on each other. They're getting murdered in there. Oh my God! What absolutely disgusting! Well, that's what happens when you're shit. Oh, I can taste the tension in here. Our fighters are ready, are you? Well, you'd better be. Bets are closed and we're
Really generous of you to accept this beating.
Whoa, that hit like fucking hurt. Almost knocked their teeth right out. Did you all see that monster hit on the stream? Fucking hell! Fuck yes! Now here comes a bloke who knows how to have a tear up. Fronting for his hooligan mates, he'll never let them down. Blow that chat up, folks! Our next match is gonna be a wild one!
I'm pretty much good at everything.
Get ready, blood. Boom! You just signed up for a world of pain, cuz. What?
A solid hit! That's the shit we like to see. Am I right, people, or what? An unbelievable blow. Don't know how anyone can come back from that. Fucking hell! Seriously? No one will be able to get up from that. And that's a hit!
You know who I am?
For the
I
record.
fucking run these ends, bruv.
Oh, they're gonna feel that hit in the morning if they wake up.
What, you think you're hard enough? Man's gonna knock you straight.
Did you see all that on the live stream? Oh, shit! And that's a solid blow, yeah.
You know who I am? I fucking run these ends, bruv.
Oh, now that's what I'm talking about. Solid strike for a solid fight. Hope you didn't bet on the wrong fighter. That's how it goes in BKL. Expect the unexpected.
bigger than technology. I mean, the Optic changed everything. It lets you see things in AR. You no longer need a smartphone. You just have the small implant that sends signals to your optic nerve and lets you see your emails, take calls, and browse the internet directly as if the screen was in front of your eyes. Instead of having to carry around a phone, you've just got the small handheld unit. So much lighter and so much more convenient. It's great.
Vicky, you sound like you absolutely love the Optic. Do you actually think that it's made our lives any better?
I mean, sure, it's definitely made things a lot easier. It's so simple to call someone now. All you have to do is choose who you want to chat to, and they're there, ready to talk. And browsing the web is so much easier. I remember when you used to have to sit down at a computer with an actual keyboard and mouse and type everything out. And my favourite feature is public transport. With the Optic, you can just walk straight onto the tube. It even acts as a passport. No longer do I have to dig around and try and find my old paper passport just to travel somewhere. Also, I thought that Optic's marketing strategy, making it free for people, was a stroke of genius.
Genius. Bloom was really calculated when it was doing that. It was pushing this draconian device on us at all. Sure, everybody flocked to it. There was free Wi-Fi and phone plans. That definitely helped, but it wasn't a case of this is a product that you need in your life.
Why do you hate it so much?
It's just the worst because you had to give up your privacy expectations and accept surveillance. It was almost like the government and Bloom didn't even need to make the Optic mandatory. Making it mandatory was only to get the last holdouts across the line. If free data didn't convince you, fines and arrests from the state for not having the Optic would pretty much be enough.
I mean, what do you mean by privacy problems? No one really talks about that anymore.
They don't talk about it because we don't have any choice when it comes to the Optic. Yes, it's convenient and mandatory, but everybody's forgotten what it really means. Here, you've got a whole company owning basically all the data about your life. Bloom can see everything that you can see. Nothing is private anymore. There are so many times when I don't want anyone to have a clue about where I am, who I'm chatting with, what I'm doing. It's not even dodgy stuff, but I just don't want anybody to blackmail me with this in the future by hacking it. And because of Bloom's contracts with the government, it isn't just Bloom that can see everything I do, it's the government. The UK as a state has become a complete surveillance paradise.
I think you're painting a bit of a bleak picture. It's not all that bad.
No, you're completely wrong on this. I don't want everybody tracking me wherever I'm going around London.
Well, in that case, you might be interested in some rumours I heard. Did you hear that some DedSec hackers have found a way to bypass the Optic's connection with Bloom?
Are they actually making it better or usable or actually friendly for anybody?
Well, word on the street is that they've been able to create an encrypted signal, which means that your world might have a chance of becoming a bit more private again, so you could go back and enjoy all the great things about Optic without that fear of surveillance.
With the Optic privacy stuff.
All right, you're here. Let's find the thing.
Namely, non-violent crimes committed by people over the age of 75. Impoverished elderly are turning to crime in the hopes of
getting close.
As we look into the last resort of elder care, prison.
Got someone all lined up for you. That's it again, folks. The only game in town worth your time. Society's crumbling, institutions fumbling. Come and see a couple of fighters take it out on each other.
I'm gonna bust you up. Let's get a swing in.
Now that's entertainment, and one massive blow to our fighter.
How about this? If I don't kill you, you buy me a drink.
Wild blow, oh my God! Oh yes, knockdown! folks. I want to hear the love and the hate. Get hype.
Come on and try it, arsehole.
Take a look at those faces. Place your bets and strap the fuck in. Oh my God! What absolutely disgusting!
Come at me then.
And the crowd's roaring for some action. Oh shit! And that's a solid blowdown. Are you watching at home, online, on the street? Are you here live to feel the
You just gonna stand there all day?
The blood. Wherever you are, this is the most exciting thing you'll see all day. They're getting murdered in there. Oh shit! Could that be the win right now? They're bold, they're cunning, they're feeling no pain. Don't let your guard down around these two. Buckle in for this show. It's gonna be absolutely fucking bonkers.
Try that again, huh? You see what happens.
Where's my backup?
I'll hit you so hard, you hit it harder.
Massive blow to our fighter.
Let's make this interesting.
It looked like it fucking hurt.
Time to
Fucking wild blow! Oh my God! And that's a hit.
No one will cry over your grave.
Oh, solid! That's the shit we like to see. Am I right, people, or what? Oh, now that's what I'm talking
Pray to your
about.
mother. Not that it will help.
From a solid blow.
Let's make this interesting.
Pray to your mother. Not that it will help.
An unbelievable blow. Don't know how anyone will come back from that. And that's the kind of shit we tune in for. Out with the old and in with the new. Wow. Collect your winnings if you're lucky enough, people.
Okay, this is getting kind of weird. Take a step back, buddy. Can I? I don't...
Auto drive now enabled.
getting close.